Welcome to my short vlog today, guys. Right now, nandito kami ngayon sa Ashelma Resort dito sa Dawis. Nag-celebrate ng birthday ang friend namin. I will show you the resort. A small resort, but it's nice and peaceful. If-focus ko ang bahay or ang room na to, guys. 2 bedrooms. Ito ang dream house ko one day. Gusto ko ang design na to at as you can see, cute siya. Simple design, pero elegant. So, happy birthday sa'yo! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, sir! So, after ng birthday greetings at after dinner, yan, nag-start na silang nag-video key. Hindi talaga mawala yung video key. At parang exclusive na rin namin yung buong resort kasi kami lang ang nandito ngayon. At sa nakikita niyo may mga cottages din. Nag-start na rin, nagchikahan yung iba. May nagdala din tuba. Coconut wine. So, that's it. Bye.